Good morning. What a gorgeous day. Beautiful here. Lovely view. Maybe all the rain has stopped now. Hopefully. Okay, I got things to do right now before breakfast. Yeah, no maintenance around, so it's all fully apart. I need to get some people. I don't know when. I don't feel. Yeah, grass very high. It's becoming a jungle. It's a jungle here. It's okay. I don't care anyway. And up there, it's really a jungle. At the end of there, you can't walk there anymore. Okay, I gotta do something. Okay, that's done. Yeah, I'm gonna start throwing a lot of things. Just clear the house, just in case. Yeah, today is going to be a busy day. I got some friends coming soon, and then I will go to town. So, yeah, busy. I have to. And life goes on. I start doing my breakfast. Yeah, I was thinking from last night, this morning, that I may not stay here, but in this house. But no, I decided I'm gonna stay put here. I'm gonna stay. And I will go on with my life in this house until I die. Okay, I'm waiting for some friends, but it's at 10 o'clock. You know, Philippines. Still waiting. I got a lovely couple here, Royal and Jennifer.
Hello.
And they brought me some cake and stuff, and then some drinks. Let's start with the drink. Where's mine, Royal?
Yeah.
Oh, I
You take yours and you close it. Oh my God.
I will drink.
I thought you want to drink it.
Let's have a beer. Friends are leaving. Jennifer, you come back anytime you want.
Yeah,
Yeah, me
sure.
not.
And
Maybe
pick
you
up-
forget the lemon.
And pick up everything here because
You
nobody.
eat
Ah,
I don't know. It's because
can you grab it?
it's hurting.
that. It's hurting that.
Yeah, because have the
The needles.
yeah.
Yeah. You guys come with a bag and pick up whatever you want.
Just Bayo Marima. It's so hurting.
So it's what is?
Yeah,
they have
yeah.
like a
Yeah,
like a raw,
beautiful
rose.
lemon.
Like a rose.
But I don't cook anymore. I just go out to the restaurant, things like that.
The
Oh, thank you so much.
Isn't that beautiful?
It's really nice.
girls are not taking this.
You're so lucky.
Yeah,
No.
I put in the water.
Thank you so much.
No.
Thank you.
Be
God
strong.
bless you.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
See you again.
Maybe you like to. I don't know.
You can open it. Oh, that one.
Car.
Nice, eh?
Nice painting. Look at the painting they did to me.
Yeah.
Terrible.
Yeah, but
No, that's also not
it's
good.
Okay. Yeah, mine also.
They didn't polish. They didn't polish
No,
properly.
I have
That's
also
why.
Look here.
But you got this
Yeah,
problem with the paint.
Like this one. Lee.
Yeah, you need to fix that. Get it fixed. Get it fixed. Otherwise, you're gonna have to throw this.
Yeah.
Get it fixed.
Now
Yeah,
we
it's
go.
rusty. Oh, that was nice. All right, thanks, guys.
Nou,
Take care.
stay strong.
Yeah.
Okay.
Stay strong.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Nice people. Royal Jennifer. Yeah. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to get a little snack and then I get ready to go to town. Saturday today. I had a little nap. I'm gonna have a coffee and then go to town. I'm getting a bit hungry. Let's do that. Alright guys, I'll have to have a look at the Dipolog by night and have something to eat up there. I'm not gonna stay home crying. No way. No more. Alright. Oh, that was nice. Did you see that caramel? First of all, let's do a lotto. Very relaxing, it's good. I'm getting my old phone fixed. It's a new display, 1,500 pesos. I know it's not the original one, but I may have some interesting video and picture there. I may need. We'll see. So just at the corner here somewhere in Dipolog. Jollibee just there. I may have some actually, I may go after, I don't know. I need a beer, it's so hot. Okay, let's go have dinner. I lost my scratcher and I saw this, so I'm gonna probably grab one before going home. 60 peso, $1 roughly.